Alright guys, this is attempt number who knows what to record a video, and I'm hoping it's going to be successful this time. So I would just basically like to describe one of my strategies that I use in my trading and hopefully follow it through till the end through some additional videos that I would be posting. The strategy is called DMZ. It's I picked it up from my friend Mike, and it's basically reverse gamma scalping strategy, and involves selling naked straddle and hedging it off with the stock and trying to keep as much premium as you can. So what I basically do is I scan the markets for stocks that have high volatility and that are above certain price threshold and that are in a trend. It doesn't matter if it's up or down trend, but it should be in some kind of a trend. So this is my scanner. I use paper account. This is like a new paper account on a TD Ameritrade that I just opened, and yeah, let's try and do some trades. So this is basically market is open just recently. The data here are delayed for 15 minutes I think, but that doesn't really matter. So I set volatility index to around 40% minimum market cap. This is like voluntary. I look at this chart so I can capture a certain amount of stocks, and I hit a scan. Scan gives me it's sorted by volatility index, and I look at this and I look at the market cap. So this is really small market cap. The first big one is Baidu at 47 IV. The second one is AMD, and that is going to be our candidate today. And third one is Alibaba. So yeah, basically I have looked this before today, and I have decided on AMD because Baidu, they are not really in a trending situation. So AMD looks like it started trending upwards. It had a massive pickup from 80 to 106, 105. Average true range is declining. And yeah, let's look at pricing on some options, and let's try to explain you the strategy. So this is basically an option chain. The 26 May expiration is something that I picked up. Ideally I would like to go in between 1 and 2 weeks out. So this June looks a little bit too far out weekly. Pricing in option is decent. It already has some volume. Yeah, but I will try with the May expiration. So stock is like around 105, 106. So I was looking at 106, but let's go with 105. It's a nice round number, and yeah, we can get around $5 credit for the straddle. And yes, so basically let's try and do this. Since the chart shows that it is in the uptrend, I would like to go long the share, and but yeah, first let's try and get some orders in. So we are selling 105, 26 May expiration, naked straddle, and let's see what that gives us. So the buying power effect is around $2,000, $2,100, and maximum profit shows $525. Break-even points are 110, $99. So let's hit the send, and we are going to wait if we are filled, and then we are going to buy 100 shares of stock. So in order not to wait that much, I'm gonna just try and maybe skim a little bit on the pricing. Jesus, I forgot where everything is. Yeah, so working order. Yeah, it shows 518. So let's cancel, replace, and let's do maybe like 515. Let's see if we get a fill. So this is like yeah, it is important, but for the example it's not really that important. And we are going to hit the, and let's say we go market order for 100 shares. Yeah, so we bought this at, what's the price we got here? So I like to keep these paper trades, so because during the trades you open, you close the trades, you're not really sure where you are on the position. So I like to keep these paper trades here, and so far we are only filled on the stock, and we got filled orders at 105.56. All right, 105.56. I'm gonna set it up here, and I'm gonna set the flipping order right away. So create opposite order, and we are going to set for a trailing stop around $5. So we're gonna put a trailing stop around $5, and then we're gonna go first trigger sequence, and just going to create opposite order. Create opposite as much as Thinkorswim lets us, and we're gonna hit all these orders to quick. So I think this maximum of 8 orders trailing stop, and it's all, yeah, but this is day orders. We need to set it up to all be good till cancelled orders, because day orders are going to expire at the end of the day. And this is something that can create a lot of problems, these orders. Yeah, ideally I would like to put as much as you can in, but so you have to monitor some. The $5 stop is pretty wide, so it's not going to be that much of an issue, I think. But sometimes on these trades, I mean, the 8 orders can be flipped in 5 minutes, or even in a shorter amount of time. And if you are not in front of the computer, then you might end up in a position that you don't want to be, with expired orders. So I was looking to how to solve this problem, and there is actually a solution, but I will talk about it in another video. So let's just hit this confirm and send, and these orders are now pending. So we have 9 working orders. This one's still not filled. Yeah, let's try with 510. Yeah, so this is like active, trailing order, you see that the stop, our stop is 168 now, and it's moving as the stock is going higher. It's pulling the stop higher as well. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you the risk graph here. It really resembles like a short put situation, but this is going to flip from short put to short call as we flip the stops. In ideal situation, the stop is never going to be filled. The stock is just going to rally, and say if we get to like about 110, 115, then I will just cancel the stops, and I will leave it is a risk. Maybe I would set a stop at 105. Then again, it is a risk, but then you are like basically picked up all of the premium that you could. And ideally on Friday the short call and the long shares will be just neutralized, and the short put will expire worthless. So this is basically for the well, we did not fill this one. I'm not really sure why. Let's just go with a 5. It's below the natural, so it should fill. Yeah, it filled like 509. Yeah, okay, so let's put it here. So this is what we have now. We have a short straddle at 105 expiring 26th of May. We received $509 for it, and we are waiting for what's going to happen about what our stops are gonna do. And yes, I will be posting updates maybe daily, or I don't know, as I find the time. So yeah, that's it for this video, and we'll see what happens. I will update tomorrow what was going on. Thank you guys.